So this is what you need to do, either with this or with this. You have so much.
Yes.
We'll go around with this.
Okay.
So you got to get it at the roots. You have to get all of it.
Okay.
So I would just do this, loosen it up,
Okay.
and then just gently pull it out. You have to get this.
Oh.
You have to get this.
Okay.
So it won't take long.
Yes.
You just blow through. Do that, right? Do that.
Okay.
Do that. Do that. Then you go around and you gently, and you can even use this.
Okay.
You know, you just
Loosen
have
it.
to get the roots.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
You got a lot of work ahead.
A lot of work ahead.
It's everywhere. But here's the thing, which you've got these seed pods here, these guys, and when they get a little yellower, they're gonna explode. You got to get these now. Even if you don't get the thing by the root, which you can't because it's inside the porch, grab the seed pods before they explode, because they'll just make things so much worse. Okay.